What's up, guys? Today I'm going to show you how to change the cases on your Snap-on. These things get pretty beat up and you could order new cases on there. What you're going to need is a T8. How ironic, I'm using an icon to fix a Snap-on. You got these bolts right here in the back. Take them out. Two more on the bottom over here. One more. These things are actually pretty easy. There you go. And then with this, you just put your finger, push it up. Sure, I got it. They're just snapped in, so let's wiggle it out a little bit. There we go. Get the light out of here. Alright. Man, that was dirty. You got the drill open. With it open, if you see any dust or anything or any dirt, you can wipe everything off. There's gonna go, I'm gonna go with the green or the, no, I use this a lot, I'll probably go with the black one. Pop it off. I'm gonna hook that light back up. Slide it back in its place. You want to make sure you fit it back in the spot correctly, because the other piece is going to close down on it and you don't want nothing pinching. Like that. We could do. Just push that back onto that, and you can flip the side back over. Now you can just take off. This thing wants to sit quick. Take off this side and then simply snap back on this side. Let me just wipe this down a little bit. I've had these for quite a while. And probably a good time to wipe down these connectors for the battery since it's hard to reach in. And then we're gonna try to line this back up correctly. There we go. Now we could just reinstall the screws. Got a lot of grime on mine, so if you do got a lot of grime on yours, just wipe them down real quick. some of this oil. I got resin out of these screws, are a little rusty. Probably should have bought some screws. Look into probably replacing the screws if you got too many rusty ones. And they'll still work, but next time you decide you want to change your case, you don't want something stripping out. Got everything tight. The creases should be nice and, oh, let me tighten down just a little bit over here. There we go. Now pop in the battery. There you go. That's how you change the cases on them. I think I got these from eBay for, I think this one was 50 bucks. I think this was 60 bucks after shipping. But they also got yellow, they got peach, and they got the red one. They also have the guns. I'll make a video on that when my gun, the 3/8 gun piece comes in. And pretty much play target practice with these or throw them in the garbage. Thank you guys for watching. Hopefully this helps out.